Already I have connected my Oculus Quest to PC. Open Device Manager on your PC. Here, right, come to portable devices. Okay, search portable devices. Yeah, it is there. But you should have connected your Oculus Quest 2 in admin mode. I mean, whoever is admin on Oculus Quest 2, they only will be able to access. So here you can see this portable devices. So here Oculus Quest 2 is there. Right click and here just update driver. Don't click on this search automatically for drivers. Choose browse my computer for devices. Okay, so we need to select this one. We need to choose this. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. So I need to choose this one. So by default, right, mine is showing MTB USB device. Just select yours. Select the first one and give next. Windows has successfully updated your drivers. So now I have fixed the issue. Once you fixed it right, you can see this Oculus Quest 2 is connected to your PC. Still, if it is not connected right, try different USB wires and different ports on your PC. Definitely it will work. So that's it, friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedbacks in video forms. Thank you. Bye and take care.